Toby Howry, spelled Tobyhowry.
And Mr. Howry, can you introduce yourself to the jury? Tell them who you are, where do you work?
My name is Toby Howry. I am a local apprentice electrician working for Raven Electric.
And how long have you done electrician work?
I started in October.
Of this year?
Last
or
year.
2026? Or 25?
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you do before that?
I was in the U.S. Army.
And for how long?
5 years.
And where were you stationed?
I was stationed here on J-Bear and down in Fort Drum, New York.
And what years were you at J-Bear?
The very beginning of 21 till about I think it was 2024, the beginning of 2024.
And in 2023, did you have occasion to know Zarrius Hildabrand?
Yes, I did.
How did you know him?
I was his team leader / sergeant.
Okay, and what does that mean?
For a bit there, I was his comrade in a military section or squad, and then later on I got promoted to sergeant, becoming a team leader, and then I was placed as a sergeant above Mr. Hildebrand.
Did you know him very well?
I would say yes.
Okay. Did you know his wife?
Yes.
And did you spend time with them outside of work?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have observations about their relationship?
Yes.
What did you think about it? Or what observations did you make?
They seemed happy. I didn't see any really issues. Besides some things that were said, normal relationship issues, I wouldn't make anything crazy.
Okay. Nothing outside the norm?
Mm.
Okay. How did you find out when his wife had gone missing?
It was that Monday morning of the week. Dalen Gates mentioned to me outside of the building 681 in the parking lot.
Okay. And was Mr. Hildebrand at work that day?
I don't recall.
Okay. And if Mr. Gates mentioned to you at the morning, would it have been Monday or Tuesday?
It would have been a Monday.
Okay. How positive are you about that?
Very.
Okay. And did you interact with Mr. Hildebrand that day?
I think so, yes. I'm pretty sure. We
Okay.
had a, yes.
In what context?
I think we talked, and I think that's when the search party was going on that afternoon.
Okay. So the day that the search party went on, that's the day that you talked to him?
Yes.
Where did you speak with him?
Outside the parking lot at the search party.
Okay. Did you assist in that search party?
Yes, I did.
Okay. What was your conversation with Mr. Hildebrand like?
Just trying to comfort him, just saying we're gonna find her. It's gonna be, everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna work out. We're gonna do what we can.
Okay. What did he say?
I don't recall for word that what he was saying that day. He was just saying, pretty much just saying, just crying about it, just saying we're just kind of recalling the situation, saying what happened.
Was this a conversation that happened in a vehicle?
No, it's something out. We were in the parking lot outside of his apartment.
Okay. Did you ever have a conversation with him in his vehicle?
Yes, I did.
Okay. When did that occur?
I don't recall the day specifically, but it was when I was taking him to his behavioral health appointment.
Okay. And did the military set up a few of those for him?
Yes.
Okay. And were you, as his first sergeant, tasked with kind of watching him or keeping care of him?
Yes.
Okay. He wasn't required to be with you full time?
No.
Okay. But you're touching base with him regularly?
Yeah, I would stay with him, drive him to his appointments, make sure if he needed anything, I was there for him as an NCO.
Okay. And when the conversation in the car happened, you said that was on the way to a behavioral health appointment?
Yes, it was.
And what did he say to you in the car?
Kind of broke down crying, saying that he was starting to remember more, and that he was very drunk that night.
Did he say about anything about what he had said to APD?
Yes.
What did he say?
Pretty much that he's remembering more than what he told APD, and that he was just crying.
Specifically, did he tell you he told some shit to APD and things are starting to come back to him now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, implying that what he had told APD wasn't the truth?
Yeah, I wouldn't say the whole truth.
Okay. And after he was taken into custody, did you have additional conversations or meetings with him?
Yes.
Okay. Did you do you recall a meeting with him at the Anchorage jail along with another soldier, Roberts?
Yes.
Okay. And did that conversation cause you to go to your command and make a report?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell the jury about that conversation? What was the setup like?
It was me and Angel Roberts. We wanted to go see Hildabrand and just check up, see how he's doing since he was arrested. And we went there and we talked to him. Obviously trying not to talk about the case. And it was just kind of just trying to keep in touch, just trying to catch up as a just friendly thing. At the end, Angel Roberts was getting up, getting ready to leave, and I was saying my goodbyes to Mr. Hildabrand, and Roberts was gone, and the last thing he said was, I asked him if he wanted to say anything to anybody outside, and he said no, but I hope this thing isn't recording because I did what I did.
And what was his demeanor like when he said that to you?
Just kind of plain. Just kind of like just empty, I want to say. Just kind of just staring, if you ever just stared at a wall, kind of like that.
Did that demeanor ever change?
When I look back, yes. Because we would do this funny hand salute when we were both in the military together. And I did that when we were leaving, and I looked back and we were kind of like he was grinning. So.
He was grinning?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Did that sit with you in a way?
Yes.
How so?
It kind of bothered me. Not with the grinning and everything like that. It just kind of didn't sit with me right. Could you rephrase the question? I apologize.
Did his facial expression and the words that he said, I did what I did, I hope this isn't recording, I did what I did that bother you enough to bring it to your command?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Howery, is this difficult for you?
A little bit.
Okay. You were close friends with Mr. Hildabrand?
Yes.
You continued to have a relationship with him even after he was taken into custody?
Yes.
Why is that?
I don't hate him.
But you thought that statement and that behavior was significant enough that you should tell somebody about it?
Yeah. I don't hate him. I hate his sin. I'll say that.
That's all that I have for you, sir.
Yes, Bishop.
Good afternoon, Mr. Howery. My name is Lacey Jane Brewster, Mr. Hildabrand's attorney. I just have some follow-up questions.
Absolutely.
So you talked with Ms. Dunlop about a conversation that you had with Mr. Hildabrand starting, was it Wednesday after his 21st birthday in a car?
I knew it was the following week after his 21st birthday. I don't recall the exact day.
Okay. But you recall the day you found out that Saria went missing, correct?
Yes.
And the conversation you had with Mr. Hildabrand in the car, that was
later on. It was not the same day.
and you found out on a Monday, correct? And so the conversation happened on Wednesday after that Monday, correct?
That I talked to him in the conversation in the car, yes.
Okay. And in that conversation, Mr. Hildabrand was crying, correct?
Yes.
And he told you he couldn't believe what happened, correct?
Yes. Yes.
And the exact statement he made to you was, "I'm not going to lie, I was plastered that night, but told some shit to APD, and things are starting to come back to me now." Correct?
Yes. Come back and remember, yes.
Okay. Did he say remember or come back?
I don't recall.
Okay. Do you recall when you made this report to an official that you talked with Ms. Dunlop about back in 2023?
Yes.
And would it refresh your recollection to see a summary of that report, of the report that you made?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
Does that refresh your recollection? Okay, thank you. So, sir, having had the opportunity to refresh your recollection, was the exact statement that Mr. Hildabrand made to you was that things are starting to come back to me now?
Yes.
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 And come back can mean a few things, fair to say.
Come back, yes.
It doesn't necessarily mean remember. Is that fair to say?
Can you rephrase your question?
Yes. Come back can mean, for example, something is coming back to haunt you, as opposed to something is coming back to your memory. Fair to say?
Those both seem the same to me in remembering.
Okay. And do you recall what day you met with Mr. Hildabrand when he was in custody?
I don't recall the exact day. It was the following Friday.
Okay. And do you recall, for example, what you were wearing that day?
Yes.
Okay. Do you recall what the person you were with was wearing?
No.
Okay. And how long did you speak with Mr. Hildabrand?
An hour.
An hour. Do you recall every word from that conversation?
Not every single word, no.
Okay. And what you recall is the statement, "I did what I did."
Yes.
Okay. And no one else was there when he told you that, correct?
Yes, because Roberts was walking away and the prison guard was coming to handcuff Mr. Hildabrand to go back to wherever he went, where he came from.
Okay. And was this over the phone or was it?
It was over the prison phone system, so it was like in person with glass, but they has phones on the left that you could talk. That's how you talk to them through the
Okay.
glass.
Was he on the phone when he made the statement or was he off the phone?
He was on the phone.
And he wasn't smiling when he made that statement, correct?
While I was making it, no.
Thank you. I don't have any further questions, thank you.
Maybe direct.
Briefly. You were asked what day that conversation took place at the Anchorage Correctional Center. Would it refresh your recollection to look at a report of
Yes.
the conversation you had?
Yes.
Does that refresh your recollection? When do you believe that conversation was?
August 25th.
Okay. Now, the conversation at the Correctional Center is August 25th, 2023?
Yes.
Okay. And so then the conversation in the car where he told you that things are coming back to him, was that after he had already told you a different version of events?
Do you restate the question?
Let me say, had he already told you very clearly what the last time he saw Miss Hildabrand?
Yes.
Okay. And what did he tell you, the first time that he told you that Miss Hildabrand went missing?
The first time she went missing, or first thing I was told was she was going to work, and then that the morning after the birthday party,
Right.
and she went missing. She was walking to work, and then she just went missing.
Okay. Did he say if she had her phone with her?
He said that she didn't have her phone with her at all.
So at the time he told you that initial story, he told it to you like he did know the details, not like he couldn't remember them, right? Okay.
Yes.
That's all the questions I have.
Thank you, sir. Please sit down.